Welcome to the channel, folks. Model Car Guy Rich here. I appreciate you all for stopping by. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And today is a special day. I get to announce that I hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you all so very much. It means so much to me. What I'm going to do is I'll be giving this kit away. So as we progress here through the channel, hopefully we'll be doing some more things like this. What I'm going to do is you guys comment, my subscribers only, comment on this video right here, and after a few days I will do a another video and randomly pick a winner to receive this kit and a couple other goodies I'll throw in there. I haven't decided what that'll be yet, but when the time comes, we'll figure it out. So again, thank you so very much. I appreciate it. It's been a blast. I'm still having fun, and I hope you enjoy the content. That's about it. It was just a quick little video, let you know that I appreciate y'all. So thank you so much, and don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you on the road somewhere. Alrighty, thank you so much again, everyone. Model Car Guy Rich out. Keep on modeling.